Hello Fanatics! With our review of King Arthur Legend of the Sword coming out, we decided to share a few films to watch if you liked it. Enjoy! King Arthur is a historical adventure directed by Anton Fuqua, starring Clive Owen, Keira Knightley, and Juan Gruffud. It follows the tale of King Arthur and the Knights of the Round Table. This film deals with the same story and has similar action. There are many violent scenes throughout. Snatch is a crime comedy directed by Guy Ritchie, starring Jason Statham, Brad Pitt, and Benicio del Toro. It follows the story of immoral boxing promoters, bookkeepers, amateur robbers, Jewish jewelers, and a Russian gangster who fight to track down a priceless missing diamond. This film is also directed by Guy Ritchie and has the same style and witty banter. There is some nudity and some violent scenes throughout. Seventh Son is a fantasy adventure directed by Sergei Bodrov, starring Ben Barnes, Julianne Moore, and Jeff Bridges. It follows the story of a monster hunter's apprentice who must find it within himself to defeat the Queen of Evil Witches. This film has similar fantastical elements, themes, and style. There are some violent scenes throughout. Kingdom of Heaven is a historic epic directed by Ridley Scott, starring Orlando Bloom, Eva Green, and Liam Neeson. It follows the story of a man who travels to Jerusalem during the Crusades and finds himself as the defender of the city. This film has a similar atmosphere, medieval setting, and action. There are many extremely violent and intense scenes throughout. Warcraft is a fantasy adventure directed by Duncan Jones, starring Travis Fimmel, Paula Patton, and Ben Foster. It follows the story of a group of heroes who attempt to stop an orc horde from invading the planet Azeroth using a magic portal. This film has similar fantastical elements, themes, and style. There is some mild violence throughout. Hopefully you liked some of these films just as much as you did King Arthur Legend of the Sword. If you have any films you'd like to recommend to us or to the community, or you want to tell us what you thought of these films, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and you want to see more, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Check out our latest Film Fanatic review where we discuss the film King Arthur Legend of the Sword. Don't forget to follow us on our social media. Until next time, Fanatics, keep it real.